Hello friends, this is Bapi Sardar. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to calculate P.TAX using if formula. Friends, if you really want to learn this formula, then this video must be watched till the end. Friends, let's start the topic. Is equal to if first bracket and first bracket open basic d3 greater than 0 comma d3 less than 10,000 bracket close, sorry friends, greater than is equal to, less than is equal to, it will greater than is equal to and less than is equal to, bracket close, comma 0 comma if bracket open and d3 basic cells greater than is equal to 10,001 comma d3 less than is equal to 15,000 bracket close, comma 110 comma if bracket open and bracket open d3 greater than is equal to 15,001 comma d3 less than is equal to 25,000 bracket close, then comma 130 bracket close and enter. Here is the result friends. Simple, copy the formula and paste selected area. Those who are below 10,000 their result is 0. Those who are below, above 10,000 their result is 110. Those who are above 15,000 their result is 130. Friends, if you really want to like this type of video, so please like, comment and share, and please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting new video notification. Thank you dear friends.